Old people in our society are invisible. People think they serve no function.
These notions that everyone over 50 is disengaged or watching TV all day, I mean, that's just not the way it is. My name is Judy Goggin, and I'm a member of JP at Home. My goal is to live every stage of my life as fully as possible.
My name is Glenda Buell, and I am a proud member of JP at Home. One of the promises I made when I left work was that I would continue to grow and learn.
I'm Dale Mitchell, and I am Executive Director of Ethos. Ethos is an independent, community-based nonprofit organization whose mission is to keep the elderly and disabled at home and out of institutions for as long as possible.
My name is Ray Santos. I'm the Community Relations and Development Director at Ethos. We need to look at older adults as having the ability to have full and vibrant lifestyles well after they retire.
JP at Home affords people who would not otherwise be eligible for the services that Ethos provides to access those services.
It also creates a social network that connects older adults to their community, to their neighbors, their friends, who share like-minded values about aging.
Ethos is entirely hands-off. All of the programming, the knitting group or the men's group, all of that is being run by the members.
In the past year or so that I've belonged to JP at Home, I literally have 90 new friends now who live in the neighborhood. I feel much more connected.
No one wants to think about getting older. We live in a society that does not fully consider the issues that the vast majority of us are going to face as we age.
When the time comes that I do need some direct health services or care in our home, my family won't be the ones that'll have to step up. The resources through JP at Home and the relationship with Ethos are already set up, and that gives me great peace of mind and gives them great peace of mind that nobody's going to be starting for zero.
People should support JP at Home because it creates a true community of aging.
I don't want to even think about my life without JP at Home. I think it's one of the best models for supporting us at this stage of our lives that has come along in a long time.
When I signed up for JP at Home, I felt like I was keeping one of the promises to myself to continue to learn and grow. JP at Home is helping me to be the architect of my final act. And I want to live it deliberately, doing some important things.